Hey, Shane from PROCHECK Automotive. If you own a D40 Navara or an R51 Pathfinder, the back of your car look like this, or lacking power, come around the front and I'll show you why. Alright, so come around the front of your car. This is your intake pipe here. Squeeze it as tight as you can. Get someone else to jump in the car, get them to start the car and rev it to full grand and see what happens. So as you can see, my hand's kept it quite closed all the time. We have a problem. Okay, so here's another Pathfinder we got in today. This one drives perfectly fine, so I'll show you the difference. Okay, so the problem is the boost solenoid, which is just down here. To get to the boost solenoid, all you need to do is open up your airbox, just to give you a little bit more room. And you can get down into here. You've got 3 hoses. Make sure you mark the hoses 1, 2 and 3 and mark the sensor the same. Pull that sensor out, replace the sensor, put it back in, check it, and I guarantee your problem will be fixed.